Why it is important to respect your parents. Even though you do not need any reason to respect your parents, we will tell you why you should. Showing respect is being grateful. If you understand the importance of having the parents and you are grateful to them, then it is the best way of showing the gratitude. They demand nothing from you. All you can give them is respect and love. Those who actually understand what is it to have parents and how they make your world better than you imagine, they will know that your parents have no selfish motives and they love you selflessly. They love you always. Your parents are the only ones who will love you always. No one in this world will love you more than them. Others may claim to love you. You may think that your friends do, but they may fake, maybe not. But your mother and father love you from the bottom of their heart, and that is never feigned. The love of your parents is the best thing in the world, and there is nothing above their love. They taught you the right way. The kids are always lovely for their parents. Whether a kid breaks a plate in anger, the mother will not ask him to leave the house. Understand that your parents will always teach you the right thing. Even if you are wrong at some place, all they will do is ask you to never repeat the same, or in the worst case, scold you. They do so because they know what is right and wrong, because they know the world more than you do. Always there for you. Every parent in the world always will support his child, no matter what. In all good times and the bad, parents will always be at your side and provide with everything they could. They do everything they can just for the sake of their children. Your friends may abandon you, but parents will never do this. They will always have their doors open for their children. If you fight with a friend, you are no longer his friend. But if you fight with your dad, he is still your dad. They raised you. From the day you came to this world till this day, they are the ones who have brought you up and made you what you are today. They fed you first instead of eating themselves. They gave you the best and the sufficient, even if they had to compromise on some. You are because of them. Parents are those people who brought you in this world. It is because of them that you exist. Your existence is a gift by your parents. More than a gift, your existence is a favor done by your parents. This favor is something that you will never be able to pay back. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.